having a lifestyle that makes your life better is going to be so essential for the upcoming life because I used to only have the lifestyle of just staying inside and going on my phone all day. Here's some lifestyles that I've started to adopt, which made my life feel incredible. I don't want you to miss out on this because it's pretty easy to start doing, and you can do something watching this video. The first lifestyle that you can do makes me feel so immersed and alive. I'm doing it right now. It's the natural lifestyle. Spending time being more outside. Whether that's also like eating healthy, having a clean diet, a clean lifestyle. It's going to make you so much easier to function properly and outcompete other people. I would say part of the reason why I'm able to do a lot of the things I do is because of the way I feel about myself. I feel alive. I feel energized. I feel ready to go. Like yesterday, I had a soccer game and we lost, but I was able to put up 2 goals just because I feel good about myself. I feel like I'm active and ready to do stuff. So whenever you can find the time to spend some time outside, walk around barefoot just to feel the natural environment on grass, eating healthier food, it's going to make your whole life feel a lot better. The second lifestyle, and by the way, the third one I think is extremely important to consider, but the second lifestyle, which kind of ties into the first one, is going to help you be a lot more stronger, a lot more fit, and feel like you're doing stuff in your life, make you sleep better, and that's the active lifestyle. So working not only on your body and your physique, but your mind, the way you think, the way you act about stuff. Like the soccer game I had yesterday, you can either be the guy who scores a few goals or be the guy who got a red card and made the team lose because of that. Not saying that happened exactly, but it could have happened. Being occupied with stuff like sports, training, gym, doing stuff like that instead of just occupying yourself with watching tons and tons of videos, scrolling on your phone all day. If you change and start implementing more of this lifestyle, everything will feel better. From your sleep to the way you think about life to just basic interactions with people and life. So the third lifestyle, and after I talk about the third lifestyle, I'll tell you how you can actually adopt these lifestyles instead of just me talking about them and hopefully thinking that you'll do it, but like actually how you can do these lifestyles. So the third lifestyle is going to help you be a lot more focused, a lot more locked in, and get a lot more done in your life and reach more of the goals that you want to achieve. And that's with the quiet lifestyle. So why is it the quiet lifestyle instead of the loud one? The quiet lifestyle allows you to be more observant, more focused. It doesn't allow, it's like making your actions speak for yourself instead of just what you say. It's like if you're playing a soccer game and if you're mad that you're losing, instead of just talking to the other team, getting mad, you could instead just shut up and focus and let the comeback that you're going to do in the game talk about how you feel about the game. I hope that made sense, but I think you get what I mean. Like, let your game do the talking instead of you. Let your actions, let your results, let your goals do the talking. This one is extremely good because change can happen rapidly from applying this right away and actually focusing and getting those tasks done. You're not distracting yourself with anything or doing too much. You're just doing stuff for yourself. So how you can adopt these lifestyles is by starting small. So for example, with the natural lifestyle, whether that's just not buying any more desserts, or it's like stepping outside for an extra 10 minutes, getting some sunlight, or if it's the active lifestyle, whether that's going to the gym for 20 more minutes or doing 10 push-ups right now. I'll do them too. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as you do something. Another reason why I want you to start small is so you can easily stay consistent at it. It's just a little habit that you can do every single time. And for the quiet habit, something you can do is like not talk when you want to really, but when you need to. Kind of not just giving everything away. Like if you have some goals, instead of just letting everyone know and talking all about it, setting a little barrier and having those goals which you work on, and then that results will show people what you're doing. And the last thing you can do is join the Like-Minded Club, the free community I have in the description with hundreds and thousands of other people, and they're all trying to grow and get better, share ideas, live better lifestyles. Join that too. See ya.